All right, thanks a lot. So let's start with a quick question. So who over here, show of hands, has booked a hotel in the past 6 months? Holy crap, almost everyone. Okay, so you probably know what the process looks like. You sit at your desktop, you open 20 different tabs, you're looking through reviews, you're looking for prices, and you're trying to pick the best hotel. So my name's Hussein, and this is Henry. We're the co-founders of SnapTravel. And we're trying to change the way people book hotel rooms by allowing you to book a hotel room over chat. So before we jump into a demo, just a little bit of quick background. So SnapTravel, we've already driven over $1 million of hotel bookings over Facebook Messenger. We recently raised an $8 million US Series A, and we're in kind of hyper growth mode. So Henry, let's get you to do a demo. So the way it works is you open Facebook Messenger, and the same way you would search for a friend, you search for SnapTravel. So Henry searches for SnapTravel, and he's going to click on the Get Started button at the bottom. So it's going to give you a little tutorial on how SnapTravel works, and it's going to ask you for your city and date. So Henry, let's say Toronto next Friday for 2 nights. So what we've done is we've done some natural language processing, so you can type in your inquiry in a natural way, whatever city and dates, however you'd like to say it as comfortably as possible, and we'll process that. So now we're asking you if you have a specific hotel in mind. You can type in yes or no, we'll click on a quick action button, and we'll go look up what 3-star and 4-star hotels go for that city during those dates. So Henry, let's go $300 budget. So it's going to take a few seconds, but what we're going to do is we're going to go look up the best hotel deals in Toronto for those dates based on your budget. Now, because this is Henry's first time using SnapTravel, we're going to use a generic algorithm that's going to look at price, location, quality. But what's going to happen is, over time, as you book more and more hotels with SnapTravel, the recommendations are going to get smarter and smarter, and it's going to be even easier for you to make that hotel booking. So Henry found a hotel that he likes. He clicked on that hotel, and he gets taken to more information about the property. You can see images, reviews, and he can go and select his room. Now you'll notice it opened up in a little Messenger browser, which is actually much, much faster than opening it up in Chrome or Safari. So Henry, let's kind of back out of here. I want to show you guys one more thing. So what you can do within SnapTravel is you can click on Chat with an Agent. And we actually have human agents 24/7 available for any questions you may have. So let's say you want to know if a crib is going to fit in your room, or you want to know how many steps away from the beach it is. You can go and do that, chat with a human agent. They'll call the hotel, figure it out for you, and message you back. You never need to wait on hold. Applause for not waiting on hold. Awesome. All right, so when we think about conversational commerce, we think about more than just text. We also think about voice. So we're going to do a little demo over here. First time it's ever been done in public, so let's hope it works. Okay, Google, do you like Alexa? Okay, Google, do you like Alexa? Okay, Google, what's the weather in Toronto?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
Okay. Okay, Google, talk to SnapTravel hotels. Wait for it.
Sure. Here's the test version of SnapTravel hotels.
Hi, I am SnapTravel. I will be your new travel assistant. Where and when would you like to travel?
New York. New York.
When would you like to check in?
Wednesday.
Checkout date, please.
Thursday. Thursday. I was thinking. Yeah, so the internet's having some issues here, but let's see what happens.
Got it.
Please check your phone for the latest deals in New York.
All right, so that was a little bit stressful, but it did work. And in theory, we could use voice to allow users to do the search as well as learn about hotels and complete the booking. But in reality, that's not how it works. If you want to book a hotel, you want to see pictures, you want to see reviews. Where people are lazy is people are lazy to initiate the search. So what you can do is you can sit on your couch, you can use Alexa or Google to initiate the search, and then when you have some time, you can pick up your phone, look at pictures, look at reviews, and then complete the transaction. All right, so it looks like I have about 30 seconds left. I'm just going to quickly pass it off to Henry, who can talk about the natural language processing.
Yeah, so hi, my name is Henry. I'm the CTO of SnapTravel. So quick trivia is that when we looked at our data, there's actually over 50 ways people say check in, check out. So for example, something as simple as Toronto next Friday can be said, Friday, next Friday, the coming Friday, or August 15th, 15-August, or 5/15-A/15, A/15-11. So there's so many different ways that people express natural language, and I think we're doing some really exciting things in terms of the space, as well as making commerce actually work on chat. So we're looking to hire and grow. We're a pretty small team of 7 engineers, and looking to grow and do some pretty cool things. Thank you.
All right, questions, guys?
Hi. If you want to enhance the features of that, you may contact us. We have Empower software, and we can make this one speak in any language you want.
Awesome.
And also detect and over the phone and all kinds of.
Awesome, I'll find you later. Thank you.
Hi, do you have a global reach? Like if I want to book a hotel in Seville, Spain, or I want to book a hotel in Hong Kong, can I do that?
Yeah, it's global. So we support 8 currencies, and we have hotels all around the world, over 1 million hotels. I'll drop that.
Hi, really cool presentation. So one of the things about hotels is that there's this inherent consumer behavior that, everybody goes online, they search multiple things, they go to 1 million different websites, and we're all trained to kind of do that. You're doing something very different, the Internet of Things, you're lapping onto things like Google Home, which I think is amazing. I don't know how you can answer. When do you think that change in behavior will happen to allow your product to grow and scale? Like, it's really cool. I think it could be really interesting. How do you stop doing what you're currently doing now and start doing something, what's that trigger?
Sure. So it's definitely not going to happen the first time, right? The first time you try SnapTravel, you're obviously going to check Kayak and Trivago and Expedia and Booking, and you're going to check everything else. But what happens with SnapTravel is once people start using it and they see they get the best price they can find online, they see they get great customer service. Our human agents call in and get you a free upgrade and message you to say you got an upgrade. The recommendations are spot on, and it's the same hotel you end up picking anyways. After you've gone through that experience 2 or 3 times, then eventually you're like, okay, I'm just going to chat, and whatever SnapTravel tells me, I'm going to book, and you get into that experience. So we see people, once they book 2, 3 times, then their session time is super fast. They make a search, they get a recommendation, they book it. So it does take a few times to get used to it.
Last question.
Hi, I just want to know, like, when I book hotels very frequently, and when the concept looks like there is a website called Trivago, right, which actually does the comparison of the prices of the hotels and show in the web browser. What I want to understand is, like, how is it a possibility where the prices what you search, right, on for a particular hotel will be something you find it out, but in another website there are some other prices listed for the same hotel, which could be less also. When how that is handled here?
Sure. So we spend a lot of time building the back end. So to be honest, most of our engineering resources at the start were spent on connecting to as many inventory sources as possible. So we are connected to Expedia and Priceline and Booking and hotels, plus a bunch of partners and resellers and just a whole bunch of different ways to get inventory. So at the very least, you're going to get the price you'll find online on Expedia and Priceline. So generally, you won't find a price lower than what you find on SnapTravel. And also, I mean, for everyone here, if you guys do need to book a hotel, obviously for TechTO, we put together a promo code. So just use TechTO10, and you can get an additional 10% off any hotel in the world.